guys, today in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to create different kinds of chests. Okay, so as you can see we already prepared this map with two chests around here. Okay, so this is going to be the chest 1 and we're going to use a switch to use this chest. Okay, so first of all we're going to add these things and show text, and we're going to make that this chest give us a potion. Okay, so we place the text, now the item, so we click one of the potions, and we're going to use a switch. Okay, so control switch, we select this one, and put it to on. Okay, so now we're going to create a second page. Okay, we place them here, the switch, and we select the potion received. Okay, so we place also the text, but no, it should be empty, so let's place empty. So in this way this chest is going to execute the command text. So it's going to show a text the received potion 1, it's going to add the potion 1, and we're going to activate the switch potion received. And in the second page we're going to place this potion received, the condition, and the text is empty. And also we're going to change the graphic to this one. And very important to make this one to fixed graphic. Okay, so let's make a test. So we talk with the chest, it's going to do the things as accorded, received potion 1. So now the chest is open, we talk again, and it's empty. Okay, we can check in the items, and we have our potion. Okay. Okay, so now that this chest is functional, we're going to add a little detail for this chest. So we're going to open the event, and we're going to add an animation for this chest. When it's open, it's going to be animated. Okay, so here we have the graphic. We can check in settings set, and we can check the animation. So we have this by default with the RTP. So we can go here, right, up, and left, and you can see that it's doing like an animation that it's opening. Okay, so we're going to do this animation with the program. Okay, so we can place it here in down. Also we're going to place here fixed graphic. So with this way, if we go to talk with to the left or the right side of the chest, it's not going to be open. Okay, but now we're going to use the command set move route. So this one. Okay, and here we're going to use the animation. So we can check it here in the before. So we have this animation down, right, up, and left. So we're going to place it in the command. Okay, so we can go back here, set move route. We're going to frequency to be 6, and we're going to place the animation first down, right, up, and left. And we're going to place also the command to wait. Let's see, to wait as 0.5 seconds. Okay, so we can give a little time to make the animation before the text shows. Okay, so now we can make a test. Okay, so what happens? So now the animation is doing for the player. So let's change this. Okay, so we can go back, and here in the set move route, as we can see here, it's the event player. So we must take it to change and place this event. Okay, always check your systems when you're doing it. So let's make another test. And now the chest is going to do the animation that it's opening. Okay, so now here it's empty, empty, and empty. Okay, also if we do like this, if we don't put here the fixed graphic, let's say that we have a standing animation, we can make a test, and we go to the right side, as you can see, it's not working properly. Okay, so let's place it as a fixed graphic. So in this way, it's always to be this graphic. It doesn't matter that you are in the left, up or right side of this event. It's always to be in this side. Okay, so we can make the last test. You open to the right side and let's do the animations. The show text is good, received button 1. You can check it, button 1 is received, and now the chest is empty. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to create a chest depending of a password using a variable. Okay, one thing that we can do to fasten this engine is to copy all this thing. Okay, we can copy and paste here, and also for the second page, copy, paste. I'm going to need to do some little changes like this. Also to change this one, let's use another switch. And this one, also this, and this is going to give us let's see, a high button. Okay, so let's rename this high button received, high button received. Okay, and this is okay, empty, and then so we can make a test that this chest is working. High button 1. Okay, so let's change about the detail. As you can see, this the animation type is a standing animation. Let's fix it to the fixed graphic. And now it's working properly. Okay, so button 1 is empty, and this is also the same. Okay, we have the two buttons. Okay, so now let's add the password. Okay, so we can go back to the event, and we're going to use the command input number. So we're going to use a variable, this one. Okay, so now here we can use the digits we want. So let's place 4 digits, and we're going to use the command conditional range. Okay, and with the conditional range we're going to select the variable, and we're going to select the password. We're going to place it that it's equal to. So now we can place a digit here, a value of 4 digits. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 about the password. Okay, and we're going to copy here, copy and paste here, and here in else we want to place a text. Let's place wrong password. Okay, so let's see what happens this. When we would talk with this chest, it's going to ask you a 4 digits number. Okay, if we place the 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be with this conditional range to meet these conditions, and inside these conditions it's going to do the same. It's going to open the chest, to wait a second, to show the text and receive the button, and also to activate the switch. If it's a different number that 1, 2, 3, 4, is going to say wrong password. Okay, so let's make a test. Okay, so now it gives you the chance to make a password. So let's put a random number, so wrong password. Let's try again. Okay, so if it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be always wrong. Okay, so let's press the correct one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if the condition has been met of the variable with the value 1, 2, 3, 4, we receive the portion. Okay, now the empty. Okay, okay, so now we're going to create another chest, but with a condition that we need a key to open the chest. So first of all, we're going to go to the database and create the item. So we can go here in the items of the database, and we're going to create another item. Okay, so let's create another item, key chest. Okay, we can simply plate whatever we want. A key. Okay, so now we are going to modify this chest, and we're going to change the button for decay. Okay, so we can go here, key chest. We can change the chest, resave it, okay. Okay, so this can remain the same, but for organization we can rename it. Okay, resave it, okay. So we can do a test. Okay, so in the inventory there's nothing. Receive it K1. Okay, and we have the key chest. Okay. So now let's create another chest. We can use this one. We can copy because we have already the engine, it's done. We can paste here. We're going to modify. We can remove the password, and the conditional range we're going to edit. Instead of a variable, we need it to be an item. So we can go here, the item, and we can go here and look for the key. And here we have key chest in the inventory. Okay, so let's check the system. So it's going to set move, the weight, the high button to be received. Okay, so we can modify this one. So instead of the high button, let's place the stimulant. Okay, so one, we modify the text, receive it, stimulant. Also the switch. Stimulant, receive it. And also in the second page, we change this, and here in the name of the chest, we can rename it. Okay, so after this, we're going to place change items. After this, we're going to remove the key. Okay, so we can paste here, edit, and we look after the key chest and decrease. So we use the key to open this box, this chest. Okay, and here in the show text, we can write it, you don't have the key. Okay, so if everything works well, we're going to need the key to open this chest. So let's make a test and let's see what happens. Let's go first with the key that we need. You don't have the key. Okay, so in the inventory we don't have the key, so we need the key to open the chest. We go for this one, we save the key, so we can check that we have the key, and we go back to the chest, receive the stimulant. Okay, so now we can open a chest depending of a conditional that we need a key to open this chest. Okay. Okay, so now we created this different kind of sets. Let's create another one. Let's create a secret chest. Okay, so let's copy paste this chest already. Copy, and we're going to place it here in the wall, and we're going to edit, and we're going to remove the graphic. Also we can remove this one, and let's see the item we can add it. Let's place, for example, a clap. Okay, so we are here, and the text we can edit, resave it, clap. Okay, let's change the switch. Clap, resave it. Let's edit the second page, also to change the switch and to remove here, and this empty with nothing here, and here we want the priority to be same as character. Okay, so now that we have done is to create an event without any graphic. So in this part of the map is going to be the secret chest. So we can make a test So you can see there's nothing in the wall, but the event is here. Okay, so we can see here the event here in the RPG Maker, and here in the game is going to be nothing, it's invisible. But if we go talk with the wall, we are going to receive the club. And we tap enter again, it's going to show nothing. Okay, so with this we can make a secret chest. Okay, so another thing that we can do is to edit this chest, secret chest, and to add an animation. So we have already this animation, so as you can see it's a sparkle that has this glowing. Okay, so we don't need to do the animation, so we're going to select this one as an example. Okay, and we're going to place it here as a spin, and here we have the speed, so we can choose the speed we want. So let's place the fastest one. Okay, and let's make a test. Okay, so here we have the secret chest that it's glowing, and we tap enter, we're going to receive the clap. Okay, so in this way we can make this secret chest as an invisible or with a sparkling glowing. Okay, so in this video tutorial we learned how to create different kinds of chests using switches, variables, or with a conditional of a key. Okay, also we can make a combination using switches, keys, and variables to do it more complex. And the next step we can do it is to add more details. For example, when the chest gives you the item, to show a picture or something else more beautiful. Okay, also I want to leave you here in the description the link to download this example for the RPG Maker. Okay, so hope you like this video tutorial, and see you next time. Okay, see ya.